So here in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to scan QR code of YouTube channel while using your mobile phone. So suppose that your any of the friends or family members or any people give you this YouTube channel QR code to you, and now you want to scan it through to get to their YouTube channel. So how you can do that is quite very simple. So for that reason, first of all, you need to go to the photos application in your smartphone. Then simply open the QR code like this, and then on the bottom side you will see the lens option. So tap on the lens, and as you can see, here is the link into the middle. So you need to tap on the link, and there you go. So that's how you can simply find out and scan the QR code of YouTube channels in your mobile phone. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like, and we'll catch you guys pretty next time.